How to get a refund on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get a refund on Facebook Marketplace. How do you get a refund on Facebook Marketplace? The first thing to do is log into your Facebook account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options, which has your name, your friends, marketplace feeds, then orders and payments. If you can't find orders and payments in this page, just scroll down and click on See More. Under the See More option, you will see payment there. For me, I can see my orders and payments here, so just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to the orders and payments page. Now, on this page, navigate through to your purchase history, all right, or payment history. This is the payment history here. Yeah. For me, I have not carried out any purchases or payments. That is why this place is empty. But for you, you will see the purchases you've made and all of that. So once you see it, select the order for which you want the refund. All right, just click on the order that you made that you paid for, and then select the one that you want to get a refund. From there, select request a refund. Alright, just to click request a refund. A marketplace request form will appear on your screen. Just go ahead, fill in the required fields and click on submit. Once you click on submit, your refund will be processed and eventually the money will be refunded to your account. Very simple, right? Yes. So this is the basic way of how you can get a refund to Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.